Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Revit is open and your project file is loaded. This prevents missing elements. Next, make sure you have a view active because the project browser docks to the UI context. From the View tab, look for User Interface and select Project Browser. If it's unchecked, you won't see it. Once done, Revit will display the pane. Dock it left or right to keep your workspace tidy, and save the project to lock current UI layout. With the project browser visible, you interact with Revit's hierarchy. Views, sheets, families, and schedules appear as expandable folders. Click the plus icons to expose nested items and double-click a view or sheet to open it. This is faster than navigating menus. Use right-click to access context commands like rename, new view, or type properties, which streamlines workflow. If you need a custom organization, create to finalize, dock, or pin the project browser where it won't obstruct modeling. Floating can help on multi-monitors. Customize browser organization under the View tab to group views by discipline, phase, or type for repeatable access. This reduces search time. If the browser disappears, make sure User Interface Project Browser is checked. If that fails, reset the Revit UI by closing Revit and deleting the UI state. Dat file or using the Reset User Interface option, then reopen the project. This typically restores the missing pane.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.